All right, y'all. Today we got a good one. We got a 2002 Monte Carlo SS Dale Earnhardt Intimidator Edition, number 746 of 3,333. And even more important than that, this thing only has 12 miles on it. So stay tuned as we take you all around there and get her up on the rack. Y'all, let's get into it. First, just looking at it, I'd probably say the paint is about a 9.5. Won't have any crazy scratches or dings, but of course, you know, it's 23-year-old paint, so we have a little bit of love marking from the washes, but nothing crazy. All the clear coat is still intact, and again, no dents, dings, or anything like that. With 12 miles, of course, it does have the original wheels, so zero issues there. Rolling down the passenger side, again, nothing to really point out because the car hasn't been driven. Emblems intact, all the decals intact. Rear quarter panel, looking down the side of the car, as expected, straight. Rear windshield, zero issues, no cracks or anything. Looking at the trunk, like I said, we got a couple of swirl marks from the from the washes, people being a little bit aggressive, wanting to keep this thing shining, but no issues with the paint. Looking at the rear bumper, perfect condition. Again, paint, everything. You can tell like the chrome on the tailpipes is still perfect. We don't even have any like soot or smoke or anything on it. Coming down the driver's side, again, she's straight, nothing to worry about there. All the emblems, decals perfectly intact. She is equipped with a sunroof, and again, kind of hard to tell because I can't open it up further, but you can see like these rails and these seals are perfect. There has been it don't look like any water has gone on there. So front windshield as expected, zero issues. We have no cracks, no marks of any kind. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk before we look at the front. Looking at the front, again, bumper in good condition. We don't even have any pickup from rocks or anything, rock chips. And even looking at the headlights, they look completely brand new, no oxidation. And again, this is a 24-year-old vehicle. So let me get the hood popped open. Underneath the hood, clean as expected. All the insulation still intact, no wear and tear. Everything looks to be super original, and like I said, clean underneath. Let me see, let's check out the interior. Oh, first actually let me pop the trunk. Key fob does work to pop the trunk. All the lights work, of course. All right, trunk is in excellent condition as expected. Funny thing, one of the original OnStar books, this was one of the first cars that did have OnStar back in the day. Super clean underneath, nothing to worry about here. And of course the Dale Earnhardt car cover. All the option codes and everything there. Check out the interior. As you expect, this interior is going to be flawless. Rear seat looks like nobody has ever been back here. I have no creases on the seats, no rips, no tears, anything like that. Without saying, obviously, no smoking, no odors or anything. Carpet, brand new. Don't even have any foot marks there. Driver door, again, nothing at all, no wear and tear of any kind. All the weather seals are intact. Door jambs perfect. Probably don't even need to do this, but just to show it, obviously no rust underneath. Seals look excellent. Driver seat, you probably just got a little bit of your normal wear patterns just from people sitting in it, getting in and out, but no rips, no tears or anything like that. Passenger seat exactly the same. Coming across the dash, we have no discoloration, we have no cracks. Looking at the gauges, I'll actually start this up because I'm not going to take it on a test drive. Again, with it only having 12 miles, test drive is normally anywhere from 3 to 4 miles. I don't want to put, you know, 25% of all the car's life mileage all on in one go. So not going to take it on a test drive, but this car does work flawlessly. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything started up just so you can see everything work. Cold start. All the gauges work. Again, let me get in here. 12 miles. And again, like I said, we have no lights on. All of the gauges do work. Radio does work. Heat, AC, everything does work. I'm gonna turn that off. I had checked it earlier. Got heated seats. They do work as well. Like I said, she is spotless. Passenger side wheel well, carpet super clean as well. And again, the door panel, that side is exactly the same as you would expect. Looking at the headliner, everything does work. And again, it does have a sunroof. All right, so stay tuned. We will go ahead and get her on the rack just so you can see how she looks underneath. So all right, y'all, so we got the 2002 Monte up on the rack, and I can tell you right now, this is gonna be a super quick and easy underneath video. Again, I don't even know if this car has ever been driven or just like moved around from spot to spot with the 12 miles. But looking underneath, bumper is in excellent condition. And looking underneath, again, you can see everything. None of the stainless steel has any markings on it. We don't even have dirt under here, and this hasn't been cleaned. As you could tell, we still got spider webs under here. So this thing is almost immaculate underneath. You can tell it has not been driven. We do have disc brakes in the front. Obviously transmission and oil pan, we have no drips or anything. Wouldn't expect any. You can see the pans are in perfect condition. All of the paint original from the factory is still there with zero issues. Exhaust in good condition. The brake lines and everything solid all the way through. Frame to be expected. No rust, no dents, no patchwork, anything like that. I don't even see any markings along the frame where the car might have been jacked up like you normally see on cars. So fuel pump looks clean. Suspension back here. We got a disc in the back as well. Everything seems to be 100% stock. You can see the gas tank, obviously no leaks, but again, no dirt, no road grime, anything like that. The exhaust hasn't even, I don't know, it doesn't even look like it's been heated repeatedly, if that's the saying. Coming to the back, obviously, as you expect, trunk pans, perfect condition. Exhaust still has the paint on it. Like I said, this thing is perfect. Bumpers underneath, we have no cracks, no seams, anything like that. Coming along the driver's side, again, underneath is clean. Wheels, of course, they do have perfect tire depth on them. They're perfect wheels and tires, but being 23 years old, whoever gets this car probably gonna store it anyway, but don't want you to be driving on them either. Looking underneath the frame rails and everything, again, full driver's side, no condition, no issues there at all. Back to the front bumper and coming down the passenger side. Again, we have no curb rash or anything underneath that front splitter. No curb rash or anything on any of the rims. And underneath, super solid. So like I said, this one was gonna be super fast and easy because everything's in perfect condition. All right, so if you're interested in this 2002 Monte Carlo SS Intimidator Edition, make sure you give us a call at 256-801-4409. Check us out at rollingmuseums.com. Also on Instagram at rollingmuseums. And as always, make sure you like, comment below, subscribe. Appreciate you watching.